Disney Pixar's Cars at Rusty's Racing Center.
That's Rusty's Racing Center?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Show them what it does. It's going to be your first YouTube video.
Yep.
That's the cars. You can see that you already have your cars.
And let's try it out.
It shoots the car to the top.
Yep.
It has a motorized wheel here.
Yep. And you can put two and you can...
Put another one. Add another one. So it actually could do 2 at a time and 3. It actually has a little jump where it can jump. Or you can switch directions and it'll go around the track like so. So how do you review this car? You think it's
10% cool.
10%?
Yeah.
So out of 1 to 10, you give this one a 10?
Yep.
So go ahead out, folks, and buy the Disney Pixar's cars. They run from like $55 to maybe $69, depending where you order from Amazon and Target or Walmart. 55 to like 70 bucks.
Yep.
It's a nice toy. Keep the kids busy. I'm signing out. What's your name?
Jace Davis. And please smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
All right, buddy.